Just another quick video on this rearview mirror. As you can see, I have it apart. Now, in order to take these apart, they are really tight on the edges here, right there. So I can't even get a screwdriver or tool. So you're gonna have to use a knife, very sharp knife, and then put it in between, and then you can just take these off, and that's how they come apart. This is the second one I do this to, because when I got in the car, I went ahead and pushed this to turn it off, so I didn't have that glare on me at night, and the button got stuck. Again, this is the same problem the other one had, but the other one came broken already. And if you look here, the plastic piece is fine, but I found that the switch is bad. See, I press it, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So for whatever reason, they tend to go bad. I did order some. I can't find it at the moment, so I will be replacing the button again on this one. But if I move this and show you the plastic piece, you see here, you can see it's just a plastic piece that doesn't have a hole or anything on the top. Hang on, let me get in there a little closer this way. So you see the top there? That's all it is, just a piece of plastic. So that one goes up and down, and this one for some reason it's not far enough, but I think it has to do with the button. So if I press it manually, you can see it's farther out now. So it's always been a little bit on the sunken side, and today it just got stuck, and I took it apart because I wanted to see if I could fix it or just like move it. I thought it was maybe I pushed it a little too far and that went out on the side or whatever, but nope, the button here, it's bad for some reason. I don't know why they become bad when I hardly use these. I just gently push it up to turn them off. But as you can see, this is one weird problem that I had on, well, two so far that I had, and this is the 12-inch, if I remember right. I'll put the name of this one. It's a really good rear view mirror camera, but unfortunately I had that problem. I could have left it, but if the button doesn't work, then that's never a good thing. You just want everything to work. And this is all they are inside. It's just a little bit PCB. You get a battery, and then you have a couple of cables over here that go into the monitor, and those go in here. But I basically took everything apart. I don't think I needed to take these. Actually, yeah, because they go in the back of this. Let me show you right there. And it looks like, yeah, they don't go through, so I could have left those off. However, I wasn't sure how this one was set up because it's a different one than the other one. It's a little, well, it's different. This one was more expensive too, but that's all it is. It's just another button, which is a pain because you gotta desolder that and just solder another one. Now, if I can only remember where I put them, would be a good thing. But anyways, so that's the fix for this one. Unfortunately, there's no way for me to do it other way because, yeah, that button just doesn't work, which is pretty sad since that seems to be a common problem. And I had it for a while, but you know, like I said, I never press it hard or anything, but those buttons just seem to go bad. So I thought I'd make a quick video, just kind of show you that in case you run into one where you just go ahead and press it and it gets stuck or it feels like it doesn't come back. That's pretty much all it is. And now I gotta go put it back together, the screws and just a few more things so I don't lose them, put them in a bag until I can find my switches and change it.